Okay, this is on the Stanford Encyclopedia Philosophica, and we want to import or parse and translate articles from there to our library as we did it with Wikipedia. Go here, plato.stanford edu. Look, for example, for aesthetics. Internet is very slow tonight. So, existential aesthetics. So, if you like this article, you can, of course, copy and paste. Much simpler is just you can take these in most cases, but copy this, then you're safe. Copy and say mtp parse sep, and then put this word in, and that's enough to get this text in our format with these links, with the reference to the source, and take that, look at it. It's not always without errors in parsing. Here you have all the sources. Can delete what you like, but what you don't like, but that's it. Go for another one. And here, for example, now the everyday aesthetics, we can go here. SAP. You see, it's pretty fast to get a library or a collection of articles about topics you're interested in. So our machine then will take these sections and paragraphs and is able to find them depending on their color and style and meaning. So you don't have to read them, you simply have to arrange them, get rich in fragments of text, keep their context to the original text, and then you can work with our machine intelligence. So you also can go for, we are doing it for more automatic parsing, we're doing it later. But I think for Wikipedia or now for these articles in philosophy, this is pretty useful just to work like this. Thanks for watching. See you with the next, and this will be on YouTube.